The CDC is saying it is not a question of if coronavirus will spread here in the U.S., but a question of when. And that has many, especially here in Washington, questioning whether the Trump administration is ready. President Trump is set to hold a news conference on the matter this evening as many U.S. cities start to make preparations of their own as the countries with reported cases of coronavirus literally spans the globe. The coronavirus has now spread to every continent but Antarctica. Brazil's health minister says a man with the country's first case arrived from Italy, home to the largest outbreak outside of Asia and one that continues to grow. Here on Capitol Hill, Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar told House members the U.S. is on alert and working to prevent a potential spread.
The immediate risk to the American public remains low, but there is now community transmission in a number of countries, including outside of Asia, which is deeply concerning.
After President Trump's comments Tuesday that the coronavirus is under control in the U.S., Democrats are concerned he isn't taking the threat seriously.
I don't think the president knows what he's talking about once again.
The Trump administration expects to allocate at least $2.5 billion in resources to fund the coronavirus response. Democrats and even some Republicans say it's not enough. As more cases are confirmed in more countries outside of China where the coronavirus originated, experts say a global pandemic isn't far off.
We have countries that are starting to have community spread, which is essentially getting us closer and closer to what you would consider the definition of a pandemic.
And the president tweeted this morning that he will be joined by representatives from the CDC at this evening's news conference. Meanwhile, the Pentagon today said they are cutting off all non-essential travel to South Korea because of the coronavirus. Defense Secretary Mark Esper told Congress today that his team is meeting daily to make sure that U.S. military personnel there and their families are safe. In Washington, I'm Karin Caifa.